Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this network error on CapCut on PC. If your CapCut is not available in your location, there is a network problem. So you need to download a VPN. So go to google.com and search for VPN. So you can have a bunch of VPNs right here that you can use. Choose your country or region, then reopen your CapCut app and then see if it's fixed the issue. If not, go back to your home screen and from here, need to go to search box and type control panel. And then you need to open this control panel app and then go to programs and go to that CapCut app and try to uninstall this application. Once you uninstall this program, you can try to download the older version of CapCut. Go right here on this link at the top and find the older version of CapCut. Then reinstall this application, then try if it's fixed the issue. But if it's still not working, all you need to do is change the DNS settings. So go to control panel, then go right here on network and internet, then click this network and sharing center. And then from here, you need to click this Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet that you're using, and then click this properties button. And from here, you need to go on this Internet Protocol version 4. So double click this one. Then go to use the following DNS server addresses. Then here, just put the 1001 and then an alternate DNS server 1111. Then once you've done, click on OK. Next is go to your command prompt. Now right here, open this application. And then you just have to type the 7 command right here. Then once you've done, you can now restart your computer. So go to start menu and click this restart or reboot your computer. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.